Right. Hey guys, it's Cardo. Diluting ONR in gallons or bucket solutions is pretty easy, but what about smaller containers such as a 16-ounce bottle or a 32-ounce bottle? Well, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly do all of that, as well as calculating the dilutions and how to properly serve. So, let's get started. Alrighty, so there's not much that you need to get the proper dilution right in a smaller container. So to start off, we're going to be using a small 16-ounce bottle. Now you can use any bottle that you like, 16 ounce, 32 ounce, it's going to be the same result pretty much in the end. So in case you guys don't know, 16 ounces is about 473 milliliters. So I will be using the metric system just because it's a lot easier to dilute. Ounces take up a lot of space, and I haven't really found proper measurement cups to get such a small dilution. So yeah, I'm going to be using milliliters in this example. First tool that you will need is a measurement cup. You'll just use this just to fill it with water to pour it inside the bottle. Really, you can use anything that you want. 16 ounce, 32 ounce. In this case, I will be using a 32 ounce measurement cup or a 1000 millimeter measurement cup to put water in here. And also you'll of course need your ONR. And how do you get ONR in small quantities to get it inside a 16 ounce bottle or a 32 ounce bottle? Well, you will need one of these. These are little syringes. They're not, well, I mean, they could be used in medical use, food, and other applications, but here we're going to be using it in a detailing scenario. So this syringe right here, it does not have a needle. This is just to extract liquid, and this is a 3 milliliter syringe, and it goes in, or the tick marks, they go in 0.1 milliliters. That is a very precise number, and this will be more than enough to get the proper dilution of ONR inside a smaller container. How do you get 256:1 in a 16 ounce bottle? Maybe you don't need that much solution, you just need a quick serving. Like I said, I'm going to be using milliliters, so there's going to be 473 milliliters in a 16 ounce bottle. 256:1 dilution in here. You need to find out how much ONR you need. To get that proper ratio, or how much ONR do you need in here, you get the number or the capacity of your bottle, so in this case 473 milliliters, and divided by the ratio numbers, so 256 plus 1, which is 257 parts. So 473 divided by 257, you get 1.8 milliliters. You need 1.8 milliliters of ONR in here, and then fill the rest with water. So what you would need to do is, if your bottle is filled all the way, you just stick the syringe, extract the quantity that you want. Or if it's about halfway and it's not that full, what you could do is just remove the cap and just serve ONR on that cap and then just extract it from there. Very easy to follow. There's really not much to talk about here, but you can do the same process in a 32 ounce container like this IK sprayer. So in a 32 ounce container, there's about 946 milliliters in here. So you do 946 divided by 257, and then you get 3.7. So you need 3.7 milliliters of ONR inside a 32 ounce container. Very easy to follow. There's really not much to explain here other than just telling you guys what the proper dilution is. I'll even do a really quick demo for you guys just so you can see. All right, so I'm just gonna fill it up with water, and I am using deionized water. It's best that you do not use ONR with tap water, because tap water is gonna spot like crazy. All right, so I have about 16 ounces of water right there. Then I'm going to get about 1.8 milliliters of ONR in this container right here. You could serve this in a little cap right here. You could serve a little bit and then just pour it back in. But if it's filled just enough, you could tilt it to the side and then stick your syringe in there. 8.6, 0.7, 0.8. And just so I can show you guys right here, hopefully the camera can catch it. So yeah, I have about 1.8 milliliters of ONR, and then yeah, you just squeeze it in there. Make sure to grab a little bit of water so you can run the solution or clean the solution out of your syringe. All right, that should be enough. And there you go. 256:1 dilution ratio of ONR ready to go. I did not need to pull out the gallons, the buckets, any of that stuff. So there you go. 256:1 dilution ratio of ONR ready to use, and you didn't have to waste any products. So yeah, guys, this is a very simple video. There's really not much to talk about. This is a very, very easy process to follow. This is very helpful for people who have limited space in their garage. Maybe they don't want to have a gallon of ONR just sitting around, or having buckets of solution. And if you need just a really quick solution of ONR of whatever high dilution it could be, 128 to 1, 64 to 1, 256 to 1 in this case, yeah, this is a pretty handy method to use if you need that very precise measurement of ONR ready to go. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and maybe if you learned something new, make sure to share this video, share it with others, because I know ONR is pretty tricky to dilute in very tiny portions. So yeah, because not everyone has a gallon ready just to sit around or a bucket just sitting around collecting dust in your garage, or maybe you don't even have that much space in your garage. So yeah, all right, and that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe learned a thing or two on how to properly dilute ONR in a different container, or maybe use the same method with an all-purpose cleaner, a rinseless method, waterless wash method, whatever it could be. Hopefully this video was very informative for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below for more future content like this down the road, and make sure to hit that bell icon so that way you're notified with every video that I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a good time.